here she is now. I think we're gonna wash it. So, all right, get Old Faithful. This is a pressure washer. I think we should check the oil in it. Well, I think I should be all right. Should I move that stump grinder?
No.
Okay. Yeah, I know. It's not gonna move itself. The Ranger feels like 200 pounds lighter since it's got unseized brakes now. How far out do you want me to go? All right, where's the oil dipstick? There it is. Oh, it's good. It's good on oil. Oh, no, maybe. That's dirty.
Good.
Can you give me a rag or something? Yes. This oil thing's disgusting. Well, I'll just wash my hands real quick. That'd probably be easier. Hold on, I'll start my phone's on there. I'll start that. I think it's got enough gas in it. Okay, the oil's good. So yeah, sorry I had my phone down there. I was washing my hands. So I think we're gonna clean her up. This is what